Good morning, class. How are you? Do you miss your relatives? Yes, of course. Then what do you do? Do you write a letter or you make a call to them? Obviously, you make a call to them. But in olden days, we used to write letters to our relatives whenever the phones were not theirs. They were very less in number, so we used to write the letters. And these days also, we have to write many letters. We have to write the applications. We have to write the letters in the offices. So in this way, the letters are very important. So every one of us is required to write letters to relatives, friends or others. It is therefore important that we learn the art of letter writing. Yes. Now you see on your page, it is written kinds of letters. The following are the main kinds of letters, and they are personal letter that we write to our relatives, our father, mother, brother, sister means any relatives. Then letters of applications, application writing. Then business letter, the letters for the purpose of business, and official letters, the letters that are written to certain offices. So you now see the next parts of a letter. A letter has the following parts, and what are they? Number one, the heading. The heading means where we are writing the letter. I will show you on the next page. The second one is salutation, the greeting or the beginning. The third one is body of the letter. Then it is subscription or the ending. Then the signature of the writer's name or the super subscription or address on the envelope or the postcard. So these are the parts of a letter. So letters of application are also the parts of letters. Now come on the next page. I show you one example. You see here, layout of personal letter. A layout is there, means how to write, where to write, which point. See on the top what is written, heading. In heading the address is there, 10 Nehru Street, Nagpur, and then the date is there. Then the next one is its salutation. Salutation means salutation to the person, sir, ma'am, my dear brother, my dear sister, to whom we are writing the letter. Then the next comes, it's the body of the letter. Body of the letter means about what we are writing the letter. Means we have to give all the details. Then the next one is subscription. Means now we are going to end the letter. And it is your loving son, as it is written in this personal letter. And the downside, it is signature. So it's okay, clear the things, heading, salutation, body, subscription, and the signature. These are the important parts of a letter. Now you see, today we are going to start the application writing. So what we are to do in that application writing? Letters of application, it is given in the book. You are supposed to write application to the head of your school on different occasion. Remember the following points about them. Begin by writing the address of the head at the top left hand side of the page. The principal, then the name of the institution, then city, then date, then salutation, sir or ma'am. Then after body of the letter, means about what we are writing the application. It may be sick leave, it may be urgent piece of work, it may be leave for marriage, or it may be leave for SLC, it may be remission of fine. So there are many applications that we write to our principal, our headmaster, our head, and the whole detail we give in that application is the body, that is called body. Then in the last it comes subscription. In subscription you have to write yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and then give your roll number and class given below, your class section. Here it is written that put your date at the end, but now we write the date on the in heading in between. Now see, one example is there. Write an application to your principal requesting her to grant you 2 days leave for attending the marriage of your brother. Suppose you are Sangeeta, a student of class 6th, roll number 25. Okay. So you have to write the application to the principal. The name of the school is given? No, it is not given. If the name of the school is not given, you can write the name of your school or any school. Clear to everyone? But if it is given, then the same name you have to write. See, in the heading it is written, suppose you are Sangeeta, a student of class 6th, roll number 25. So this letter, this application, letters of application should be written from the side of Sangeeta, a student of class 6th, and the roll number is 25. So on the top, first of all we have to write the heading, and what we have to write in the heading? It is the principal. Then the name of the school, here it is written Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 16, Chandigarh. Here date is written downside, but we used to write the date after city. After Chandigarh we will write down the date. Then ma'am, my eldest brother's marriage comes off tomorrow. The marriage party leaves for New Delhi in the morning. It comes back on 6th April. I shall be the member of the marriage party. I therefore request you to grant me leave for 2 days, that is 5th and the 6th of April. Yours obediently we can write, yours faithfully is also correct, and yours sincerely is also correct. Yours Y is capital, obediently O is small, so be careful. Then write down the name of the writer, class, roll number, and date we have to write upside. We have written it upside. Then write an application to your principal requesting him to grant you sick leave. Suppose you are Subhash, a student of class 6th, roll number 33. So who is going to write this application? He is Subhash, a student of class 6th, and the roll number is 33. The name of the school is not given, so we can write any name. We can write the name of our school also. The principal, Rishikul Vidyapeeth, Sonipat, and then date 29 April 2020. Then ma'am, I have been running high temperature since I returned from school yesterday. I am taking the medicine prescribed by the family doctor and hope to be well soon. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days only, today, and that is today and tomorrow. You can write your obedient pupil, yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Then name Subhash, class 6th A, roll number and date we have to write upside. Now you see the exercise. In exercise it is written, Chanchal is a student of class 8th A. Her roll number is 15. She wants to write an application to her principal and the name of the school is given, Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Jagadhri. Requesting her to grant you leave for 3 days to enable her to attend a marriage in another town, write this application. So it's very easy to write the principal, then the name of the school is given, so we will write the same, Government Girls Senior Secondary School, and then Jagadhri, then date, then subject we have to write leave for 2 days, then salutation, ma'am. Then after we shall start, with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 8th. It is given 8th, we can write 6th here. 6th A in your school. There is a family function in my house. Yeah, I have to attend the marriage of my elder brother in another town. So kindly grant me leave for 3 days. We have to write the dates also from this date to this. We can write from 1 May to 3 May. And I shall be thankful to you. Yeah, you can write thanking you. Yours sincerely. Then you have to write the name. What is the name given here? It is Chanchal. The class is given 8th A. You can write 6th A. And the roll number is 15. Clear to everyone? In this way you can write. I shall send you the PDF also. With the help of the PDF, you will write all the 3 applications in your notebook in English number 2 in a very good hand. The work should be very neat and clean. Similarly, the second is there. Suppose you are Santosh, you have hurt yourself in an accident. Write an application to your headmistress requesting her to grant you leave for a week. So now this is the application about the leave for 1 week, for a week, because you are not feeling well. And the third one is your remission of fine. You see, Sudhir wants to write an application to his principal requesting him to remit your fine for coming late continuously for 4 days. You can give any reason, any suitable reason you can give for your coming late continuously. So that will be accepted and you have to write the application to remit your fine for the remission of fine. I hope you can do very well and thank you for today. Bye students, do your work in a very good hand. I shall send you the PDF. Bye.